welcome you all in this new video today. Today I am going to discuss whether Georgetown Funding reviews in case if you are considering this company from United States for any kinds of loans or loan reconsolidation. So do watch this video till the end and stay tuned while I share the salient features of this organization. Also, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So, let's move further. Georgetown Funding seems to be a company from United States which helps you with loans, reconsolidation and more. Generally, they market to consumers with less than perfect credit and offer them low rates to consolidate the debt. Georgetown Funding are a part of new wave of debt consolidation companies marketing only to American consumers in United States. So in case if you are a migrant or someone from a different country, Georgetown Funding will not be providing it funds to you. Taking a look at Georgetown Funding's website, in case if you want to apply for loan or loan reconsolidation, you can directly go to their website and click on the apply button. It will take you to a form where you can fill in your details and apply for specific kind of loan in United States. You can read about the organization. You can see what the company is about. Georgetown Funding hit your goals with Georgetown Funding is what they are highlighting. So they are someone who will help you with loan reconsolidation and helping you achieve your financial freedom. Georgetown Funding understands that financial success can be a moving target in planning for success and making it easier to achieve. Georgetown Funding knows its first order of business is getting more money into your pockets instead of paying out everything you take in. Georgetown Funding helps you organize yourself so that instead of paying multiple bills, you have only one bill to pay at the end of the month. And talking about the interest rates, Georgetown Funding will make sure you are not paying more than what you can really afford. So, hit your financial goals, enjoy a financial freedom with Georgetown Funding. Applying to them is pretty easy. You can go through this particular short video and help guide which will explain you the simple application process. In case if you need any further assistance, you can call on the number on the website which is 888-900-5620 to speak to any representative. With Georgetown Funding, you only have one monthly payment, interest rates are as small as single digits and you cut your payments in half. There's an easy to use calculator on the website which you can use for comparison to see how much you would be saving at the end of the day. You can enter your remaining debt balance in case if you have current loans going on. You can enter your estimated currently monthly payment and the interest rate to calculate what is the EMI you would be paying and what is the savings you can have if you migrate your loans to Georgetown Funding. There are a lot of people who have given testimonials on Georgetown Funding's website where they say how they could save a lot of money and also save themselves from mortgage. Georgetown Funding helped them, show them the correct path and they are really happy in thanking the organization. So there's another person who says that it also helped him from bankruptcy. So there are customers who are really giving them very positive reviews and testimonials as to how they could achieve their financial freedom with funding from Georgetown Funding. There's very interesting section of blog on the website which shares lot of tips for your financial planning. You can read through a lot of them and make sure that you achieve your financial goals. You can read through the content and understand how you should budget your day-to-day living expenditure, how you can plan for a retirement, how you can save to buy your first home, or in case if you are a college student, how you can survive on the small pocket money that will help you achieve all your dreams within a limited budget. In case if you want to get in touch with them, they are also present on Facebook and Twitter as social media, and you can engage with them on that. So now talking about Georgetown Funding's offline reviews, this company seems to be a legitimate organization from United States. They're pretty much a registered company. Georgetown Funding is connected to Patriot Funding, Emphasis Associates, State Advisors, Plymouth Associates, SafePath Advisors, Silvertail Associates, Malloy Lending, Polo Funding, Dune Ventures, and more. Generally, these companies engages with the customers through direct mail, cold calling, and internet ads. So overall, this company seems to pretty much legitimate. They seem to be there in business for quite long, but they provide loans only to residents of United States. In case if you have taken loan or any of their financial assets, you can engage with our video, drop down your experience as a comment, and we read all our comments very keenly. In case if you have not liked, shared or subscribed to our channel, please subscribe our channel because we bring lot of informative and useful content that will help you make great decisions in life. So stay connected, be safe, be informed.